Hey dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. I am back with another look. Today I am bringing the drama with this blue mermaid look. Tell me what you guys are saying. Are you feeling this look? Did your girl knock it out the park? This is a look, it's all blue basically. Everything's blue. Blue liquid eyeliner to set this look off, and I also added diamantes underneath my eye, diamante teardrops for elevation, okay? That's what I wanted to do today, and I think I've nailed it. Dolls, if you want to see how this look was done, carry on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, dolls, and I will catch you in my next video. I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match Foundation in Honey. We are going to go in with my NC42 concealer from MAC. And then now I'm going to go in with my concealer from L'Oreal. This concealer is Infallible concealer. It's in color Cashmere. I'm gonna add that on. Gonna get my HD concealer in color Cocoa, and this is from NYX. Blend this out. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer, bronze up my face, and I'm also going to set my makeup as well. I'm going to go under my eyes with the lace setting powder. Finally, I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit press powder, and I'm going to go over my entire face, and this should help lock in my contour and the areas that I've concealed and just get a more cohesive finish to the look. That is it for this face, dolls. I have done my foundation, my concealer, my contour. Base is done. I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Night Spray just to lock this in. I'm going to prime my eyelids with the PLouise base in Rumour Zero. So it's a really light, sorry, it's not light, it's white. It is the white eye primer. So I'm going to just use that so that my makeup look will pop. You can see a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. Before we go any further, breaks, I need to do my brows. I almost forgot. I don't think I've ever done my brows after I've done my eyeshadow. I don't think I've done that. I've done that on others, but not on myself. So it would be really, really strange to have to do it that way. So I'm glad I remembered. I'm using my Precisely Brow Pencil, cut in shade 5. So we're gonna go in with hair strokes. Also draw a guideline. And I also always start with my right brow and then move to my left. I've never done my left and then my right. I don't know, procedures. If you guys think about it, you probably have the same things in place without even knowing. I'm gonna go into the Carnival XL Pro palette. I think it's Stacey Marie who created this palette. It's by BPerfect. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like £35, maybe. I think that was the price. Had it for a little while, but the pigmentation in this palette is so good. Doing a bright pop-in look today. We're gonna go into the shade Why Though, and it's gonna match my hair color. Okay. Pigmentation in this palette is just rude. It is so popping. I love it. And obviously the PLouise base that I use underneath is helping to bring the color through more, but it's just so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Showboat. Now Showboat is just basically a bit darker than this shade, and I'm just gonna pop it in my crease. Yes, definition come through. Giving you that cut crease effect without a cut crease. And then I'm going to go back into Why Though and just pop it more on this lid area here. And Showboat just came in and just took your spot. Showboat came in and took your spot, girl, so. So what I'm doing is I'm just going over basically both of the shadows with Why Though, which is the lightest mint. So I just want to just blend it all together a little bit. I'm just going to go in with Pillow Talk right here. It's time for elevation, guys. I'm just going to add this NYX Epic Wear liquid eyeliner. This shade is Sapphire, so we are going to go in and add that as a liner today. Into Cargo, which is the darker of the greens. I'm going to go back into Why Though, and then I'm going to put it closer to the inner corner and just drag it into that Snowboat. Sleek jar liner, and I'm just going to go under my lash line. Just to darken it up. Yeah, when you put the black underneath, it really kind of opens up your eyes as well. Eyelash Glue. Okay dolls, I'm back. I have my lashes on, got a different set lace. The eyes are done, guys. What I'm gonna do now is just set my face, highlight, and oh yeah, I need to add blusher. And I like to basically juice up my face before I add, I like to add this before I add my blusher. So this is my Makeup Academy blush. I'm going to go in my LA Girl highlighter. I know that my lighting might be all over the place because I've had to change it a couple of times during the video. If you notice, all good. You can still see what's going on. Don't get annoyed, okay? I'm gonna go back with my blush and just mix it with that highlight basically. I am basically done. All I need to do now is add my lippies. I'm gonna go in with my brown lip liner as per usual. I'm going to add my Revolution London Gloss Sheer Brilliant, and this is in colour Piece of Cake, shade Piece of Cake, and I'm just going to add that basically in the middle. Don't be coming for my wig, guys. I know that it's not plucked at the front, okay? But I'm bringing you drama, I'm bringing you mermaid, I'm bringing you looks with it. So that's why I've just put it on to do this look so you can see what you can achieve. I'm not going out like this, so everyone can pipe down. Diamond teardrops, bitches. Diamond teardrops. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling it. Okay? Feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. This hair's actually quite long. You can see, it is synthetic. I bought it from Amazon. If you dolls are interested, let me know and I will pop the link below. I think I'm gonna call it Blue Lagoon. Don't pay no mind to my spot in it. It's just there. It says hi, Karen with your lives, or Karen with its life. So we'll just leave it there. What are you dolls saying? Are you feeling this look? I absolutely love it. Something new, something different. Tried out a couple of new products. Don't forget to comment below and let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're feeling it. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I will catch you dolls in my next video.